Alright, so welcome back. Let's quickly learn what we call default parameters. Default parameter, there was nothing of such the before the arrival of ECMAScript 2015. It was when ECMAScript 2015 arrived that we started having something like default parameters. This is a case whereby a particular value will have been there for our function, such that if it is not called after the code, then it will make use of the default value that is there. Okay, so let's have a quick example here. So let's say we say let's multiply. So you know that in this case now, this multiply is our function name. It's a variable, but at the same time it's acting like our function name. So the variable equal to the function keyword, then we open our parentheses. So in this case of parentheses now, we had value to be, I want the value to be 10. But in case of A, the first parameter, we did not give it any value. So there's something you need to note when you want to give default parameter. The parameter that you want to be defaulted should be at the right side and not at the left side. So it should be this B, but if you make A to be your parameter or to be your defaulted, it's going to show us that it is undefined or show us a kind of error. So in this case now, we have not given value to A, but we have given value to B, and this is the default value, 10. Then we say return A times B. Okay, what is now our A? We come here after the code block. After the code block, say document.write multiply. That is our variable multiply. Then what? 25. So we have declared only one. We have called only one parameter here. Calling this only one parameter here, this 25 is going to work for this A now, and it will make use of this default value for B. So let's see what we're going to have. Remember, it's a multiplication, so in this case it's going to show us A to be 25 times B, which is 10. Okay, so we have seen 25 to be the answer. So let's come to this place. In this case now, document.write multiply, we have called on two parameters here, 25 for A and 5 for B. So now that we have called a separate value for B, then it's not going to make use of the default value. So it's going to be 25 times 5 now. So that is giving us 125. Okay, now let's test something. Let's say we want this to have the default value, the A. Okay, in this case, and we declare this. Let's see what is going to give us now. So you can see it's saying this one is not valid, so it is undefined because we're supposed to call two parameters here. So calling one parameter while we have two parameters here means there is a default value, and your default value must be at the right side, not at the left side. Please take note of that. So, and this one will still remain the same because you have already called your A to be this and your B to be this. So but in this case, this 25 cannot work for the b because it is not at the left side. All right, try that and see you in the next class. Bye.